their investors like, yeah, don't worry, we're going to get these crypto debit cards out by Christmas. But again, they don't have crypto debit cards because these guys don't have the technology. But they still don't seem to care. They keep spending money because I guess...
Oh shit. What the fuck? Whoa. Whoa, 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 whoa. Well, we got a runner. Oh shit. Oh man. Oh fuck. Jumped the coulee and everything. Holy fuck. Ooh. Well, shit. Yeah, that's bad. Huh. Hmm.
In 1 mile, turn right on West Broussard Road.
Oof. Well, that's not something you see every day. Only on YouTube videos. Holy shit. That guy fucked up bad, whatever he did. Oof. Oh man. I've always watched it in the YouTube videos. Never experienced it live though. Oh man. Wow. I got some solid content for my own.